Okay, guys, going to be looking at oil. Just done the analysis for the guys in the squad. We're going to look to see what we get. So if I pull this down, what we can see is currently oil is buying. It's pretty much good to go this hour. So that's what we're going to do. I've already completed the pound Aussie. There's another video on that. Done various other bits and pieces that I'm up to. And the guys are able to follow it. So if you're part of the squad and you get yourself into the Discord, you can sort of request a tracker like this, which Haircut did, and I'll track it right the way through and break the trade down, show you, run it, and then follow it up. And that's what I'm doing here for James, which is from the live call we did this morning. Now, this particular chart, I'm looking to buy it. Now, there's certain elements. What I said was I need to see it either break that or relax. So what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to look at the last major move, which is this one here. I'm going to drop a fib on it, which is here. There we are. And I'm going to buy the blue levels. Now, at the moment, what we're looking for, just drop that in, is in and around here. Now, this market has a tendency to bounce about quite a bit. So I may be able to do a bit of price bouncing and a bit of ladder trading in this, but we'll see. Okay, so there's my ladder build up. Now, if this decides to run on itself, it's going to either look to certainly attack here, but it'll look more at this one here. So I'm going to have to average down into these. I'm prepared to do it. The question is which one of these is going to be the level to get in at? Now, what I'm looking at is, well, if I can get to there, that won't be too bad. But the further down I can get, the better. So that's what we'll do. We'll have a quick look at that and we'll see. So that line that it's coming into right now is a half decent area to buy. But I'm only going to buy it into just before the level and then go back. So what I'm looking at is I'm going to buy that level and I want to be out before, well, I'm in. So I'm committed to it, whether I like it or not. So I'm looking to get to here. So that's 15. It's kind of half of where I want to be. But now what I can do is I've got these in place. I know it'll run at this. So that's going to be the point of paying down here. But it means we can also average into these to come back on itself, which is what I'm going to do. But if it just runs for me and cashes out, I'll be happy with that for this hour. Okay, so let me just put some points of pain in. Okay, so the next point of entry would be the yellow line. So there, and we'll run that into the same place. And the next one would be the blue line underneath it. So again, if we look at in and around this area here. Okay, I'm happy with that. So I'm happy with the staging points. I'm happy with the way the trade is looking. Now, if I push this out to the hourly so we can kind of see what's going on with this. This is the major move that it's pulling against. It's come up. It's kind of rejected here. It's come down, but it didn't come down too far and it's pushing back up. So these two levels here, the red one and this black one, they are quite good. Okay. But we're going to be trading down here. That tagged in a bit earlier than I thought. It's not a major issue. Ideally, I would like it to come down here. I know it's going to cost me money, or it's going to look like it costs me money, but it's not. It's actually just building a position up. And As long as it doesn't get too out of hand, we'll be all right. Okay, so let's play this one out and see what happens. Okay, guys, so that's that job done. It only took it, well, let's see, it's 12 minutes past 10, 5 minutes, if that. So tagged on here, it's not even done that, so it's only a couple of minutes. So let's just get my tickets off. So get the tickets out the way. And then there you go. So it's like 100 quid over the course of the last hour or so. I'm quite happy with that. Can then just come to market again and add a little bit more at 11 o'clock. But for this hour, it's complete. And that's what this is all about. It's about just getting in and getting out and not really worrying too much. You know, if you over target, then there's a problem. But as long as you're conservative with your targets and you're kind of prepared to take the money when it's offered, this job ain't stressful. It's not stressful at all. Well, it is actually when she's on the job, you know, because she wants and she whinges because you're a woman. Are you allowed to say that in this day and age?
No, and I haven't wanted for anything.
You haven't wanted for anything?
What have I been asking for?
You've just told me you want a bag.
Oh, that's for your camera things. It's not for me.
Ah, you bloody
What will go in it?
Huh?
What will go inside it?
All your crap?
No.
Sure. Anyway, boys and girls, just showing consistency all the way through. That was for you, Baldy Locks. Keep your head shucking. Everything will be fine. Catch you soon.